Welcome! Happy Deepavali! And can you too suddenly who's 7 Nangri? Hi everyone, welcome back our L3 Toy channel. We got a recently popular drone. It's the F11 4K Pro. It's made from the Sjrc brand. It's the foldable drone design and it got a 4K camera with 2 SA gimbal and the EIS, the electronic image stabilization. The camera of the F11 4K drone, it can be record the 4K resolution. It's a nice video to record. And also, it can be 5 times image zoom to your subject. Okay. It also can be used a gesture control for take the photo and the video record. Yeah is for take photo and 5 for video record. It's very easy, right? The maximum flight time on the F11 4K is 26 minutes. And the maximum distance is 1.5 km. For the intelligent flight mode, it got a GPS intelligent tracking and the road planning, and the last, the point of interest. Inside the F11 4K drone package, we got it: 1 drone, 1 storage bag, 1 battery, 1 remote control, 1 USB charging cable, 4 spare propellers, 1 gimbal cover, and the last manual boot. For the other information, please look here. So if you are interested on this drone, please click the link below to buy. It can be shipped to entire world. Inside the F11 4K drone. Welcome. Happy Deepavali. Shit.